Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add the uTorrent extension on your Google Chrome browsers.
So in the search bar, just start typing chromewebstore.google.com. And from here, you can see a search bar that writes search extensions and themes. And from here, just start typing uTorrent, then press enter. From here, you can see the available uTorrent extensions for Chrome. We can try adding this one. And from here, you can easily add uTorrent on your Google Chrome extensions just by clicking on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. So as you can see, uTorrent has now been added on our Chrome extensions. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily add the uTorrent extension to your Google Chrome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!